Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome to lesson 4 here on Free Code Camp Responsive Web Design Certification, Applied Accessibility. And we will be starting with improved readability with high contrast text. So sort of see, this is hard to see on this background. So what we're going to do is change this color of the gray to be a darker gray. Alright, so we're just going to swap this out. And now it reads a lot nicer. Good to go. Now we're on number 2. And what we can do here is we are avoiding color blindness by using sufficient contrast again. So what we can do is we're going to change this lightness here to 15. And what we want to do as well, we want to do 55 and we want to do 15. Cool. Good to go. Number 3, we want to choose colors that convey information. So this is kind of tough, and usually a link would be a sort of a bluer color. Change the text color to a dark blue, solve both problems, and what we want to do is just change this out here. And now we have, again, more of a blue, or not a blue, but it's a blue, but on the yellow, that's why it looks black. Okay, so number 4, give links meaning by using descriptive text. So it's wrapped around click here. We want to wrap it around information around batteries. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this and I'm going to grab the href and I want to put it right here, and we've conveyed a little bit more meaning there. Good to go. Finally, make links navigatable with HTML access keys. So by adding this attribute access key, we can go ahead and use these keys on our keyboard to access the links, right? Instead of just by a mouse. So here we're going to add a access key, and we want to make this G, and we're going to add a access key, and we're going to make this C. We're going to go ahead and run this, and good to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. This was lesson 4 here on Free Code Camp. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to look in the link in the description box for the courses that I recommend on React, JavaScript. Great courses to help you out, get up and running, start your career, and see you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a good day.